What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian, this is Lana Bear, and for this video we have a Dan Matsuda Secret Santa special. Trust me on this one, you're gonna want to see what we have in store. I've got a lot to say, a lot of context to provide, but before I do that, I want to get this box in front of me open just so we have something fun to look at. Shout out to Scott for sending this. This came today and you can see it's got the Dan Matsuda sample tape all over it, which means there's gonna be some special stuff in this box. I gotta be real careful here that Lana Bear doesn't cut her finger. Almost there. Boom, done. Okay, let's get this one open. Let's see what we have here. Two items, oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. In terms of the packaging, man, Lana Bear is gonna be all over this. Scott even threw in some extra stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, wow, thank you, Scott. Oh my gosh, talk about a care package. I did not ask for any of this and you are so generous. Wow, we're gonna get into this in a minute. You're gonna see how interesting this becomes. We got the Dead Astronaut patch, we got a Triple Aught design patch, we got a couple more Matsuda patches, but oh boy. Do I need to put you in your seat? Okay, so I really want to get these open so that they can kind of sit in front of me so you can see what I've got going on here. Sweetheart, we're gonna need to take a break. I need to put you in your seat. This is too much. This is too much to handle. All right, what's going on here? So when I first started getting into packs, I did not know who Dan Matsuda was. And I bought a bag from a Mark who used to work with Dan Matsuda at Triple Aught Design. And he had mentioned Dan's name. And I said, I don't know who you're talking about. And he said, trust me, you will with time. And about a week later, not only did I know who he was, I became one of his biggest fans. I thought that based on his website, based on his articles, that he was a master Japanese artisan who has been doing this his entire life. I come to find, I mean, he has been doing it his entire life, but he's actually been working out of the Bay Area for Triple Aught Design. And I saw one of his articles in a Carryology post about a hero clip. And I only saw half of the photo and I knew I had to have this. Well, turns out I ended up wanting a piece that is ultra rare, probably the ultimate grail. It's actually a rice bag, one of the first things he ever did. But as a consolation, thank you to Scott, I was able to source a couple of the articles that he has done since then that are along the same lines, kind of in homage to the first pieces that he did. And now I've got a forever grail that I need to hunt down that I honestly will probably never be able to get. But sometimes the thrill of the hunt is part of the fun. But Dan, if you ever want to help me out, feel free. So, man, this is like really stuck. All right, let's get this one open too. Really nice paper. Dan, the attention to detail, absolutely incredible. Oh, this one, I'm so excited. We'll take a look at these in a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at that. So the grail that I'm after is actually this bag, and I'm super OCD, but I want one where the rice bag goes all the way up to the zip right there. And I actually talked to Dan about this. And you know, this to me represents kind of someone who figured out his craft, has refined it. You know, the fabric with a hit of red, it's just very polished. And the piece that I'm after is kind of raw, kind of, you know, let's experiment, let's try things. I didn't expect it to only be, you know, one of 2 or 3 or a handful. I thought I could actually find this relatively easy, but I cannot. Anyway, that aside, these are Grail pieces, super excited to have them. Let's talk about Secret Santa. So, as I said in another video, I'm participating in a Carryology Secret Santa, and I was reluctant to join. I did not know what people are into these days. I was kind of in my own world with my dispatch packs, and I almost did not join the Secret Santa until the very last minute. I mean, the last final call, I threw my hat in the ring, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. So, I went to the Triple Aught Design warehouse sale. I found this Scout pack for $50, down from $240. There's another video about this. This is going to my recipient, but this was not the actual main gift. I did a lot of searching. The guy did not give me anything on his wish list to go after, so I went through all of his posts, all of his comments, and the only thing I could see is that he was interested in a Dan Matsuda Dead Astronaut patch. Funny enough, again, thank you, Scott, there's one hiding right behind here, but I actually have 2 packages from Sample itself, and I know something very fun is in one of them, so let's get these open and see which one it is. This one's simple, it's just the candy cane Velcro. That means the interesting thing is in this one. So, again, the only thing I could tell that my guy was interested in was a Dead Astronaut patch, and he expressed a lot of sadness that he wasn't able to get one. As a proxy or delegate for Santa, I had to call in the big guns, I had to call in a favor to the big man in red, and my goodness, I think he delivered. What do we have here? I don't even want to open this because this wasn't intended for me. So you're gonna have to look at this through the paper. But it is a Dead Astronaut patch. And there you go. So this is gonna go into this pack. It's gonna be there for you when you receive this in the mail. You are one lucky dude, if I do say so myself. And huge thanks to Santa Claus, huge thanks to Dan Matsuda for making that happen. Absolutely incredible, in the Christmas spirit. Really appreciate you. For now though, I gotta check these out. Since we're here, this has been a Grail, admittedly a short-term Grail. I'm so glad I was able to get this quickly, but let's have a look. My goodness. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful construction. Form meets function. The rice pack on this, I think it's genuine rice pack, but my goodness, it feels very durable, very usable. And I love that it's actually a California rice pack, because I'm in California. That's just a really nice, fun touch. Lots of organization. We also have a strap. And I mean, you want to talk about attention to detail right here. We've got these cool, seemingly acrylic tags, dog tags that actually say the article number. In this case, it's article 147, Homai Rice. And this one right here, a smaller pouch. I'm actually gonna throw this into the top of all of my Mystery Ranch bags. I think it'll fit perfectly there. Really nice organization, huge hook and loop for patches. And I don't remember off the top of my head. I want to say this is Article 2. Oh, it's hanging on the side here. Article 287. Oh, wow. And this is cool. The acrylic tag is actually a rice cooker. So amazing, amazing. So thrilled to have these. So thrilled to participate in the Carryology Secret Santa. Sorry that I couldn't actually get that patch open because it's intended for someone other than me, so don't want to crack it open right now. What do you think, Lana Bear? Delicious? All right, I think that's all we've got for this one. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and we will see you at the next one soon.